My name is Mokena Makeka. I'm an architect and designer. I'm here at Design Indabar, here at the Dubai Trade Port in Durban. It's the opening for COP17 to really share in ideas, share in the design community, and really participate in a broader dialogue about how design makes life better and more interesting for all of us. My Prachikucha tonight is essentially what I call unruly experiments. Projects which have not succeeded, which the client hasn't paid for, which haven't been executed. But in the formulation, in the process, in developing the ideas, there's been a dialogue in which I've improved and I've learned, the client has developed, and it's really part of a culture of being an ideas-oriented society so that we use ideas to catapult us forward and so on. So really my presentation is about the importance of having ideas which sometimes work and sometimes don't. There was this one bridge which had a 6-hour queue to get to the other side. So it meant that you had this sort of lopsided development. So what was my proposal? They had all these strategies about local economic development, more jobs, this. I said just build a wider bridge. So my work, it's certainly not meant to say these are the answers. I've never presented my work as a series of solutions for the world or to say this is the answer. I see myself as a provocateur. I'm an experimenter, I'm an inventor, I'm a designer. I ask the difficult questions and sometimes I can answer them and sometimes I hope somebody else will answer them. And I think that's what really COP17 is about, certainly for me, This project, again, is a different experiment. I was shortlisted kindly by Design Indabar and others to design a trophy for the World Cup. And this was really for the man of the match process, which was being sponsored by Budweiser. So these trophies are actually made from recycled bottles, where we took the glass beads of all of the beer bottles, or actually we crushed the glass into glass beads. The caps actually were melted down to actually form this web in a metal mesh. And the idea was that your trophy was actually composed of about between 5 and 25 recycled bottles. And I didn't win this competition because apparently I heard from the grapevine that Budweiser felt it wasn't African enough. I'm intrigued how somebody in the United States can make a decision for me about what's African or not, So maybe there's a failed experiment about the aesthetics there. Maybe it should have been a bongo drum. I don't know. I believe that good design, good architecture, and good exhibitions take you away from your current reality. They bring you into another space, and then they bring you back to wherever you are, so that you can be more reflective. So I'm very much into what I call immersive experiences. We have come to a point in time where we've realized that technology and knowledge that is divorced from creativity is unable to solve our problems. We've come to realize that the aggregate of the challenges that are facing us require lateral thinking, require inventiveness, require non-linear thinking. And I would strongly argue to anybody out there that the solutions to our world's problems will not be found in a traditional silo-oriented way of interpreting the world in terms of problem solving, but it will be about those people who are able to connect across different disciplines, across different divides, across different ideas, and essentially it's a design and creative act that can see the commonality in a situation of difference. And I think creativity will change the world, provided that creativity is given the opportunity, or the creatives take the opportunity. But I think the culture of innovation is very, very important, particularly if we're going to deal with the challenges that will probably arise coming out of COP17. This culture of a fear of failure has often held us back from people being innovative, being intrepid, being curious about the world around us. And it's up to us, both as designers and consumers of design, to see ourselves as being part of this journey and to be innovative and to be open to new ideas. And accept that, the light bulb took 200 times to fail before it actually worked. Thank you.